Welcome to my channel. Today I am gonna to show you how you can use multiple or do WhatsApp in your app in your mobile. So here you have to go first to your Play Store. Here you have to write for search dual space. I have here, you can see here first our dual space, where you can use your two WhatsApp or more than two. So you have to click here. Here you have to install it. So I already have installed it. So you have to go, and after installation you should do something like I you when you go to dual space. Here you have to go inside. You can see here you have to dial your WhatsApp. You have to make your WhatsApp, and you have to go inside it, and then you have to paste your or dial your number where you want, which you want to use. So here you can see it is our second WhatsApp, and here my first WhatsApp. So that's all. I think you can use it, and that's all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel, share, like, and also